Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And all month long, we're teaching you the phrase 請等一下, which means wait a moment.
請等一下，
請等一下, that's wait a moment. Now, we've been coming up with a lot of different scenarios. Maybe going to a shop, a restaurant, on the phone, waiting a moment, waiting a minute. Okay, whether you go to a popular concert or a movie that just debuted, you probably have to wait in line, even if you have a ticket already, all right? 有的时候已经有票了，都还要等呢，因为要等入场的时间，慢慢有这个人潮要慢慢进去嘛，啊。So let's teach you how to say 入场, okay? Entering.
入場
入場, okay? That means entering an arena or a theater. 要入場了, okay? And then when you're at a concert or maybe at a movie, you know, some people like to sneak out their camera and start taking pictures or filming it. That's a no-no, okay? 很多这个大部分的演唱会跟这个电影啊是不能带着照相机或者拿出来呢给他摄影嘛，对不对？
对。
万一你摄影到了，就可能要保管了。
罰錢
搞不好还会罚钱，对啊。All right, so let's teach you how to say camera 相机。
翕相機
哦，翕相機 ，OK， 翕相就是照相的意思了。And then 機 that means a machine. 翕相機 okay, that's a camera. And let's say you do whip out your camera and start filming and get caught, then they're going to ask to keep it for you. You know, they're going to confiscate it from you, take it away and keep it for you temporarily. So that's 保管. How do you say 保管?
保管
保管. Okay, that's to keep it for you for a little while. All right?
海陸腔保管
保管好像要保讓你的肝臟啊。保肝保管 all right, that's a different dialect for keeping it. All right, let's make a sentence out of these phrases here. How about just take the first one? Okay, when you're waiting to get a seat and finally they open up the door and you can enter, they would say, now you may enter. 現在可以入場了。
呀哈做得入場誒
呀哈做得入場誒 Okay, 呀哈就是現在呀哈 that means now. 做得
可以
you can
入場誒
入場誒 and that's what we taught you. That means entering. All right, let's review all these terms. 入場 entering.
入場
and then a camera 相機
翕相機
翕相機 and finally to keep it for you 保管
保管
and it's all about waiting a moment 請等一下
請等一下
and I hope you enjoy your next concert or movie. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
是母大家
案子寫章來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.